At any given time, one or more of these things is feeding into my behavior. I feel a loss of control, so I self-sabotage. I don't understand what's going on in this curriculum because it's moving too fast for me, so I flip the desk over. Physically, I have very difficult fine motor skills, and I have to write a 5-page paper, crumple it up. This is stupid, I'm not doing this. Self-help, you ask me to put on my snowsuit, and I can't go out for recess until I put it on, but I can't do buttons and snaps. I flip out and cry. You want me to work in a group, and every time you say break up into groups, I run out of the room, and I want to go see my counselor for a safe haven. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.